Hello, my name is Anna Esparza. I am presenting this poster on behalf of my collaborators, Maddie Wickers, Dr. Tanisha Williams, and Dr. Chris Martin of Bucknell University, and Dr. Scott Schutte, who works with the Western Pennsylvania Conservancy. The project for the summer aims to survey locations of the globally impaired Heuchera alba in order to determine its geographic distribution and status in Pennsylvania. Heuchera alba, as one of the 43 species of Heuchera, belongs to the Saxifragaceae family. Before 2017, only 2 species of Heuchera were recorded in Pennsylvania, Heuchera pubescens and Heuchera americana, which can each be confused for Heuchera alba due to their morphological similarities. Heuchera alba was first recorded in the state of Pennsylvania in 2017 by Dr. Martin, Dr. Schutte, and their students above the West Branch Susquehanna River at Shikellamy State Park Overlook. Initially, Dr. Martin mistakenly identified the plant as Heuchera americana when he tweeted a picture on Twitter. Dr. Ryan Folk of Mississippi State and an expert on Heuchera correctly identified it as Heuchera alba. This interaction sparked our lab's interest in finding where else this plant might be located in Pennsylvania. Our research this summer included locating areas in which Heuchera alba might be found, including sites with herbarium records for the other 2 Heuchera species, going to those sites and making collection/taking population samples. Dr. Martin, Maddie, and I visited 20 sites within Pennsylvania so far, mostly along the Susquehanna River route. The map shown here displays the distribution of the 20 Heuchera alba sites we surveyed within June and July compared to the sites surveyed by Dr. Martin and collaborators in 2017. In addition to surveying Heuchera alba sites, our project also aims to identify the primary pollinator of Heuchera alba. In 2019, Dr. Schutte, Dr. Martin, Christopher Tracy came across bees pollinating Heuchera alba believed to be Caletes estivalis, or the alum-root cellophane bee, that had not been seen in Pennsylvania in a century. The bees were sent to a specialist, Mike Slater, to have it identified, and the results showed that it was Caletes estivalis. So, as we surveyed Heuchera alba sites, we also looked for the bee we believed to be Caletes estivalis, collected it, and whistled it off to the specialist to identify. In our research so far, we have discovered that both Heuchera alba and its specialist pollinator are much more common in Pennsylvania than previously believed. And even more interesting, at the sites where we expected to find Heuchera pubescens, we instead have found Heuchera alba. We have also found that Heuchera alba can be associated with a habitat that includes an open sheer rock face within the valley, and that many times grows along a riverside, roadside, or railroad corridor. In the near future, our research will further locate Heuchera alba sites using ecological modeling based on where it was found previously. We also plan to start population genetic analyses on the samples we've collected with the hope of assessing genetic health of the species in Pennsylvania. Lastly, we hope to work with the Western Pennsylvania Conservancy to update the conservation status of Heuchera alba in Pennsylvania. Thank you for visiting our poster.